how to do this.
Hello world.
Hello world.
It's the boy Young Scrap.
This is Young Scrap.
With my boy right here, Julius. What's your name, man?
Julius.
Let's go. We talking about the I'm Back mixtape.
We back mixtape.
Summertime
2012.
Look for it.
Look for it.
Alright now, I'm about to do a little sample song. My man Julius gonna vibe with me. You know what I mean? And then after that, I wanna know what you think, man. It's called My Life. You know what I mean?
Dog money.
You gotta be quiet, okay? Shit is real, but you gotta keep moving, dog. You can have a crazy path, keep it moving forward. And it could be hard, but that is just life, fam. It's all to show you that you're gonna be a better man. The shit I go through, and all my ups and downs. The last few years, nigga, had me with a frown. I caught a bit young age, nigga, did some time. 2 years away from home, kinda blew my mind. It had me grow up quick, dog, mentally. And now I'm home, held up tight physically. By my pretty young thing, baby loving me. The way she got me kinda feeling like a hostage bee. And that's a good thing, but I be wondering, is this the life for me? Or maybe it is make-believe. Too many tragedies, I'm feeling like I'm in a maze. But I just keep on running, homie, like I'm in a race. You can't hold a nigga back, cause I'm gonna be. I got the best and you know she right beside me. I'm never running out of Energizer Bunny B. And it's gonna be like that until the day I R.I.P. Shit is real, but you gotta keep moving, dog. You can have a crazy path, keep it moving forward. And it could be hard, but that is just like fam. It's all to show you that you're going to be a better man. Now, I got another 16 to it, but I just want to let y'all know this is what it is right now. I'm Back mixtape coming soon.
I'm Back mixtape coming soon.
That's right, everybody.
That's right.
Shout out my little brothers, man. Shaw K.
Sean
he gonna be on it. My brother Ant Trees. He doing things. If y'all ain't heard him, then y'all ain't hearing nothing. You feel me? My nigga J Money. He ain't around, but when he around, we making music. So UFO's back, dog. Shout out my nigga Hooks. Feel me? Louis, my nigga Sean.
You know what that means?
I got a few niggas I'm shouting out. You feel me?
My nigga Sean, you mean?
I'm back. Don't just mean I'm back. It means the team is back. So look for everybody, son.
Look for everybody, son.
UFO is back. You feel me?
UFO is back. You feel me?
Let's go.
Yes, sir.
Tell him, say, hey.
Hey.
Hey.